G'day viewers, I've got a scrapping video for you today. I've got two of these Wii Fit boards and I know nothing about them. I've never played them, I've never opened one, I have no idea what's inside. I'm hoping there's some gold. I see nowhere whatsoever where anything would plug in. There's a battery compartment, but there's no plug thing, nothing to plug into there. There's nothing underneath for plug. There's a button of some sort, which means there might be some nice gold pins. I'm guessing there would be some sort of sensors when you're standing on it. But yeah, I have no idea. And I'm kind of hoping there's some nice gold corner BGAs. So what I'm going to do is open this up. I've already gone around and taken most of the screws out just to save some time. So I've just got one on each foot. Because both of these are the same, I'm only going to need to undo one of them, and pretty much everything will be duplicated, whatever I find on one. It'd be nice if there's a nice hole here, but we'll see. Alright, so yeah, I guess that's got some sort of sensor on it. I don't know, I'm not a technically minded person. There's wires going to it. So we'll wait and see. I'll take this other feet off and we'll see. Once these off, I guess the main base plate will come off. They don't turn, they're pretty tight with these Torx screws. I don't know if you guys have opened one of these before or if you've used them. My girlfriend just told me that these work on some kind of sensor. The sensor on the machine, on the TV, that detects when you're standing on it. All too high tech for me. I'm old school, but I'm more interested in the gold. They say that when you're scrapping, you should always try and sell something before you scrap it, because you'll get more for it. But I have no cords, I have no other parts for these, and really I'm only interested in gold, so I would have more fun scrapping this than trying to sell it for, I don't even know what it would sell for. And the fact that I've got two of them means they're probably a common thing that breaks. I'm guessing there might be a screw underneath this sticker. So we can get the sticker started. Yeah, as there would be, 4 more screws. If you guys have opened anything like this before, please comment, let me know. I'm curious to see. I'm sure there's other types of boards that are similar to this, other games. I'm keen to learn, so by all means let me know if you've opened something similar. This could be a waste of my time, or it might be a gold mine, I don't know. There's probably nothing in there. Let's see if this comes off now. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. There's nothing on there. This is the battery compartment. I already took that open, there's nothing inside there. Are you kidding me? This is all we get. Wow. I don't see any gold there. Unless maybe some gold pins on these wires. Oh, Jesus. No, they're going to be cut off. Well, this is a letdown. I had the visions of a whole board in here being covered in things, but all I got is some fine ass wires and 3 small IC chips. Let's see what's under this. There's some gold pins that are holding this down. I think. Might need some persuasion. Not even gold pins. Oh, there. Some fine gold pins in there. And underneath this tin there's bound to be some sort of BGA or IC chip. Well, that's a real letdown. What's under this? Surely there's at least one gold corner BGA. I don't even know what gold corner BGAs do. I'm not technically minded. Well, that's pretty dismal. 3 aluminium capacitors and a little spool of copper. 3 IC chips and some gold pins. That's not good. What about in these feet? There must be something in these feet. I can't see anything in there. That's a letdown. And this isn't even aluminium, so you can't even make money on that. Got a handful of wire that's so skinny it's not going to weigh up to anything. By the time I cut all that off, it wouldn't even be 100 grams of wire. There must be something in here for this button. An LED globe. Whoopie-doo. Nothing in there. Not even gold on there. Well, this is poor. This is a real letdown. Well, there you go, guys. I was hoping to have heaps of things to show you. I was hoping to be pulling lots of things apart, and there's nothing. Plastic, steel, a tiny amount of wire, and a few IC chips. That's it. Sorry about that, guys. It wasn't very interesting, but there's the life of scrapping. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully next time I have something better to show you. Bye for now. Thank you.